Chickadee, check yourself before you wreck yourself. I is here with none other than me man, Professor Hans Zhurkov. And we is chatting about something that is well important. Yo, big up yourself. Respect.
Well, sir, my name is actually pronounced Mr. Hans Zhurkov.
Yo, whatever. You says tomato, I says potato. Yo, so me and this geezer is chatting about something that is well important. So you back home better listen up. Yo, we is chatting about math. And me know that like lot of you blokes back home have had like a difficult time with this sort of thing in like school and what. So this geezer is gonna give me the skinny on how to do this type of stuff.
Well, what exactly is your question?
Like, what exactly is math?
Well, Mr. G, math is everything. It's everything that you encounter every day. It's everything that makes up our world.
What? Like, you has totally lost me here. You were saying that everything is made of math.
Exactly, Mr. G. And in order to explain math better, we have things called equations.
Like, I just got no idea here. Can you explain so that like me can understand what you was trying to say?
Okay. Well, you see that basketball there, Mr. G?
Yo, this basketball right
Exactly there, Mr. G. Right there, sir.
Yo, what about this basketball?
Well, that basketball there is made up of math.
Yo, this basketball is made of math.
Exactly.
Like, alright, so like, how much math would it take to make this basketball bounce?
Well, you see, Mr. G, there's air in the basketball, which makes it bounce.
Yo, for real, there's air in this room. Why ain't this room bouncing?
Sir, you cannot possibly be serious with that question, can you?
Yo, for real, that is a serious question. Yo, whatever. This basketball ain't important. What's important is that I's got this problem that me think you could help me with. So, like, could you help me with this problem?
Well, what is your problem, Mr. G?
Yo, for real. So, my boy has bought like 6 ounces of Jamaican Sansamilia from his dealer Fat Tony, and him has got set it to 11 customers so that him can make £100 profit on the £480 that he bought the stuff for, so that him can pay off his child support.
Alright, Mr. G, well, please look over here.
Yo, this paper right here.
Exactly, Mr. G.
Alright.
Now, look, we set up the equation like this. 100 equals 11x minus 480. 100 being the profit that your friend needs to make. 11x being the amount of customers.
Yo,
and
real.
480 being the amount in money he needs to sell to his customers. So, what we do is that we take the 480 and we add it to both sides.
Alright.
So, therefore, the equation will read 580 equals 11x.
So, like, the 11 is the customers.
Exactly, Mr. G.
So, that make the X, like, how much him has to charge
Exactly,
those
Mr.
11
G.
customers.
Perfect. You're a fast learner.
Yo, for real.
So, the last step of the equation is you take the 11x, and you divide 11 by both sides. So 580 divided by 11 equals 52.73, which is equal to x. But for your friend's sake, to make it easier for him, you round that up, making it 53 pounds that he needs to charge for each person. And then you take that number and you multiply by 11 in order to get the that's the number of customers, keep in mind.
Yo,
and that will give you 580 pounds.
Alright. So, what you were saying is that him has to charge £53 to his 11 customers, innit?
Yes, sir.
Yo, could I just make like a phone call real quick?
Of course, Mr. G.
Alright. Yo, big up yourself.
Please take your time.
Yo, for real, innit? This my boy right here. Yo, Ricky. Yo, I's got some good news for you. Yo, I's found out how much you was got to charge those people for that that stuff that you got from Tony to pay that slag back. Yo, for real, I ain't gonna tell you something that ain't true. Yo, for real, 1 second. Yo, how much does him have to charge again?
He's to charge £53 to each of his customers.
Yo, for real, you was got to charge 53 quid. Alright. Of course that's right. Yo, I's sitting here with the geezer right now that told me his job is to do this like math stuff. Alright, for real. Yo, I'll see you at the John Mackey Leisure Centre, isn't it? Yo, alright, peace. Sorry about that.
It's not a problem, Mr. G.
Yo, for real. So, that was the lowdown on math. And we has learned many things. Like, we has learned that math is actually interesting. And that it ain't just stuff that, like, stiff geezers who is Brits do. Eh, mate? Yo, big up yourself. Respect.
Thank you, Mr. G.
Yo,
And thank you for having me here today.
Yo, for real, it ain't no problem. Yo, can me ask you something else?
Oh, of course, Mr. G. What may I help you with?
Yo, can me interest you in a quart of the finest Moroccan black?
I'll be on my way now, sir.
Yo, why is you got... No.
Thank you for having me here, Mr. G.
It's good stuff. Yo.
Thank you.
Yo, why is you got a player hate just because I was from the UK? Yo, whatever. Big up to all you at home. Yo, Jizzy. Yo, turn that camera off right quick.